Tell me a sport played in India which can be compared to cricket. The craze which cricket has. Any other sport in India which has that much craze? Any other sport? Anybody knows about fencing? Fencing? Nobody knows. It's a sport played with swords. Those British swords come now. It's played with that. I think nobody knows in India about that. One of my friends, he plays fencing. He is a fencing player. Like, nobody knows him. Nobody knows. But when I was seeing the Olympic opening games. There's a woman. She's the flag bearer of her country, and she's hoping for a gold medal in fencing. And from that country, only 4 members participated, and she's expecting for a gold in fencing. The sport which is not even known in India. A population of over 1 billion is there, and almost, I think, 1/4 of the population of world, no, 1/7, I think, 1/7 of the population. And we are expecting just for 1 gold, 1 silver, that's it. 50 plus 50 competitions. Sports, and only we are participating in 12 and 13, not more than that. 1/7 of population, at least some medals should be there for us. Some participation should be there. Just 81 players are enough for a country to participate, such a big country to participate. I don't think so. It's enough. Like cricket in India is like a religion. We almost consider them as gods. Yuvraj Singh, you consider Sachin Tendulkar, Sunil Gavaskar, or anybody if we compare. They are like gods. Even though it's not our national game, it was born in England, Britishers' game. Compared to cricket in present world, in present situation in our country, no other game is there. But whereas we compare to hockey, the team hockey in previous has got us 8 Olympic golds for our country. 8 Olympic golds. It's not a joke getting 8 Olympic golds, but still they are not recognized. Nobody knows what hockey players are doing for our country. Just cricket. Everywhere cricket is only going on. Nothing else. When we compare, like Saina Nehwal, badminton player, like when she wins a super series, nobody notices. If somebody notices, also just a 5 lakh rupees compare, winning prize money is given to her. Sometimes it goes unnoticed also. Nobody notices that she wins something, she won something for our country. And those hockey players also, if they win some super series, nobody knows. Like sometimes in a corner one article comes that they won this. But when a cricket an ODI series is won, a big poster is there in the Deccan Chronicle especially. Others, no comparison only. Nothing comes. Only cricket is there. But if she just gets 5 lakh, and when Yuvraj Singh hits 6 sixes in an over, he got 6 crores, 1 crore for each 6. And she won a super series and only 5 lakh for her. Did she do something? Is there any comparison that 6 crores and 5 lakhs, why like that? Did she, is her contribution to the country anything less than what Indian cricket team did? Nothing less. Almost on the par. I think more than par also. 6 sixes in badminton. Hockey players, boxers, swimmers. I don't think there is any world-known swimmer from our country. No world-known swimmer at all. And the reason for this is politics is almost eating the sports authority of our country. Everywhere politics. No one is giving a chance to others what they want to do. They can't. If they want to go up also, these politicians pull them down. Indirectly they do that only. And encouragement is not there. What they want to do, nobody is encouraged. Proper infrastructure is not there. They are not even. They don't have grounds to practice. They want to practice, but no grounds, no place to practice. What should they do? They have to do something, right? Something should be done to encourage them. They have to. All-round development should be there, right? We should, our problem is that we are satisfied with just 1 gold and 2 silvers. No, we should not be satisfied with just 1 Abhinav Bindra, 1 Vishwanathan Anand, and 1 Mary Kom. 1 Saina Nehwal, 1 Sania Mirza. No, everyone has to participate. Everyone should have their role to play. They have to come up. These people have to push them up. They have to think beyond just 1 and 2. 1 gold and 2 silvers. They have to think beyond it. And one quote is there. Sports does not just build a character, it even revives it. So we have to revive our Indian culture, our India in the Olympics. That's what I want to say.